This is Azadpur Mandi, Asia's largest fruit and vegetable market. But it's no longer as buzzing as it used to be before the pandemic struck earlier this year. When disruption started hurting business, farmers and sellers here were quick to adapt, and they chose technology to continue trading without having to be physically present at the mandi. For this, they used e-mandis like agribazar.com.
I am just clicking on my Agribazar app. So this is the home page where you directly come. So now I just see, for instance, this there is a location called Pilibanga. So it is in Ganganagar, Hanumangarh area. So there is a seller of guar seed. So this you will see the quantity 30 quintal is being displayed, and this is the wish list 4200 rupees quintal. This seller is expecting.
Agribazar allows farmers to list their produce on the application, and a buyer can select his purchase sitting anywhere in the country. Through online auctions, a farmer gets the best price for his crop.
We have seen 400% jump in registrations coming in these 3 months. We have about 50,000 tons which have been traded directly by farmers. And now our reach is up to 2 lakh farmers. If I talk about the trade volume, see, before this financial year, we had done about 14,000 crores of trade on Agribazar. But this 1 quarter only, or about 4 months period, we have done about 5,500 crores of trade only in these past 4 months.
Be it moong dal, onions, groundnut or apples, a trader can buy anything at the click of a button.
कोविड के टाइम में एक तो हम इससे बीमारी से ही बचे हैं। अगर घर बैठ के अपना ऐप यूज़ करके अगर हम कोई भी चीज़ परचेज़ कर रहे हैं तो हमारे को रेट्स का भी आइडिया रहता है हर एक चीज़ का, कि रेट्स उसमें सबके आ जाते हैं, क्वालिटी आ जाती है। एक जगह जगह घूमने से बच जाते हैं, नहीं तो बीमारी के उसमें आ सकते हैं अगर जगह जगह लोगों से मिलेंगे तो।
Agribazar now wants to expand operations from 32 to 75 cities and wants to increase its employee strength from 150 to 500.
We are a full stack agri-tech solution. So where we are trying to rope in farmers from their sowing stage. So we have a farmer advisory wing where, through remote sensing, satellite imagery and all, so you actually can see the farm gate. So when you geofence a particular land bank, so where you can tell ki farmer geography wise which is the optimum crop which they can sow. During the entire course of time of their production, we monitor that crop and then we keep on advising about any damage or any health issue of that particular crop, and till harvest we are monitoring that crop.
As the next step, Agribazar wants to enlist testing laboratories, transporters and financiers on the application as well, a move that would bring the entire agriculture supply chain online. Agribazar is an example of how farmers and buyers started adopting technology in a bigger way when physical visits to mandis like these was not possible. But it's not just e-mandis and Agribazar. Even the B2B marketplace has realized that the use of technology can lead to greater efficiency, lesser number of physical visits and less office space as well. Trade India is a B2B marketplace for India's SMEs, and it saw a 25% increase in monthly sales during the pandemic. The application allows transactions in English and 6 other regional languages.
Good afternoon, Ankur bhai. Good afternoon, Kanan madam. Thank you પહેલા તો તમે ટાઈમ આપ્યો આજે વિડિયો મીટિંગ પર મળવા માટે.
The pandemic has driven agents of the company to tap clients through video calls rather than physical visits.
The biggest challenge that we faced, our salespeople faced, that they could meet hardly 2 people or 3 people max in a day. To go to the office, come to our office, take an appointment, go meet him, and then come back, then go for the next appointment. But when you're doing video calls and meeting people or calling people on the phone and fixing it, so their productivity went up a lot. Like right now, we expect them to make minimum about 10 effective calls a day. What we realized was another pain point, which we realized for the small, medium entrepreneurs was one is marketing, which Trade India is taking care. The second thing we thought was most important for them would be to generate invoices and to collect payments online. So that is what we are developing right now for the small, medium entrepreneurs, that on a click of a button, they can generate invoices, send out payment links so that it's contactless.
Trade India says it has hired 600 people in recent months, but work from home and video calls will be a permanent feature of the business going forward.
Are you dealing in COVID-19 essential items?
The portal is also organizing virtual trade fairs connecting small and medium enterprises across the country. In New Delhi, Parikshit Luthra.